The soil density is stable here.
Check the water elevation against the bank slope to calculate our current flood risk levels.
The soil density is lower than we anticipated, so we will definitely need to prepare for a much deeper foundation here.
Deep foundation piles are inserted into the ground to ensure the structure remains stable against the force of rising floodwater. Steel has high tensile strength, which significantly improves the earthquake resistance of this entire building structure being constructed here today. The drainage system effectively diverts floodwater, while the water